When Betty H. and her husband saw a stray kitten with different colored eyes, they decided they needed to rescue the little one. They were already feeding her 3 times a day, and Betty would hang around each time, so that Fluffy would get used to her presence. After a while, Fluffy would let Betty touch her, but she was very reluctant. Trust can be difficult to gain, but Betty was very patient. And then something amazing happened. Fluffy now trusted her humans enough to follow them into their house and become part of their family. The couple nursed the kitten back to health, and she had a haircut to remove all the knots and mats. Their other cat, Lacey, enjoyed Fluffy's company. The two of them get along really well. It's so lovely to see Fluffy blossom into a happy and playful cat. Fluffy enjoys watching bird TV from the window. She loves her VIP life as a spoiled indoor cat. It looks like Fluffy has found the perfect place and family to call her own.